M0FXB, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to introduce you to the Rfinder cloud for programming the memory channels and zones on your Rfinder, and I'm using the B1. I know there's the new B1 Plus available as well. So I've never used this, but I'm having fun with it. So if you look on your actual radio and you go back to the original screen, so we just go back one. So at the moment at the bottom it says save memories to cloud and restore. So we'll just go save for now. It's saving everything on my radio to the cloud. So if we just go back one and then tap the three lines top left, then we've got memories. Select memories here. So these are our memories, and we can change zone. Tapping the drop down arrow at the top. If we tap the actual frequency, look, it sets the parameters. Three lines, memories, and then try not to select the channel like I just did. Let's choose DMR. Doesn't have to be DMR, it can be analog channels. So okay, and there's our zone full of channels. We can rename, delete zones, and we can save. This is the important thing. We can save memories to the cloud. Okay, click save, and it's going to put them here on this program that you can see in the background. So here's our different channels. Now to find the cloud, you just go to rfinder.net and log in with the same username and password that you've got on your app. So these are my different zones. I've only created a few, and I can choose another one here. Let's do GB3WR zone. And it's nothing in there, look. If we go back to the zone that I'm looking at now is called DMR. And if drop down thing here, look, there's some zones. And you've got some TGIF stuff there, import zone, add special zone, create zone, all kinds of stuff. And I'm completely new to using TGIF, so that's for another video. So right now, let's just say we want to change a channel that hasn't got a name. So this one here, CQUK. Let's edit it. So we'll go edit. And it hasn't got a name, it's just got a number. I didn't name it. So CQUK, let's change the name to capital letters CQUK. Okay, and then we've got the frequencies all in there. DMR. Looks like it's for my hotspot we're using. It's a DMR channel. It could be FM if you want. And it's 2351, time slot 2, color code 1. Other selections there we don't need to make. The tone doesn't really matter at the moment. And we can save those changes. We can create a new memory channel if we want. So let's just go in my DMR channel. We'll enter the name. We'll call it talk. We'll call it TG. Let's do HubNet again. 23526. And that we go OK. We've got a new TG that we're now creating, which it has put at the bottom here. We can give the name. We go edit. We put the name in as HubNet DMR if it fits. DMR just about fits. Color code 1, talk group. There it is, 23526. Anything we've missed? Time slot. Let's do 2. Actually, we've already got 2. Let's do 1. It's not FM. We don't have to put in the PL tone. Output. Oh yeah, we need the frequency. It's my hotspot 431.550. It's not a repeater, so we don't need an offset. And then save changes. Okay, so that's HubNet DMR. So let's send that. I'll just quickly show you how to do an analog channel because I don't think we've done that. So new memory, we'll go GB3WR. Click OK. It'll be at the bottom. GB3WR. There's the name there. Edit. Call sign name. Caps. GB3WR. Output is 145.600. Now transmit output So we put a minus here, like so. 7.6.6. So we want a PL, transmit PL, which is 94.8. Oops, not 4, 8. I think that's it. FM. Let's just do FM and then save. Now these are not on my radio, so what we're going to do now, I mean there are other things you can do with this. You can back up a file, look, back up to file. So there's that so that you can import it. Look, restore, choose file. There you are, there's my Rfinder files. So that's nice and easy. But it is stored in a cloud. So if I go to my radio now and go restore from cloud, click OK, it should have my new channels that I've just created in front of you. So check that we're in the right zone. So the zone was called DMR. Oh, I pushed the wrong button again, as usual. Where is it? DMR. And then we should find the channels that we've just created. There they are there, 23526 and GB3WR. Now we can save to cloud, so we can create these memory channels on our actual B1 radio. We can save them to the cloud, import them from the cloud. We can even download CSV format here. It's pretty good, and this is all for free. Just looking here how that all works. I've never really used it in this way. Just close it again. Download CSV, export zone. There's a DMR. Okay. Export the whole zone as a CSV file. Individual channels, look. You can move to a zone. So let's try moving one. Move to a zone, and we can just select the zone. Make sure you can see this. Select a different zone, and we can move it to a zone. What else are we seeing here? We can copy. Let's try copy. Copy. And it just makes a copy. We can delete, edit, move to zone, download, delete whole zones. We can create new memories. We can rename the zone. There you are. Enter the new name for the zone. We're not going to cancel, but that would rename the actual zone, which is named here. Come on, how good is this? You know, and all with a radio that if we want, we can go straight onto DMR without even using a hotspot. Watch this. So we'll go back. We're using my hotspot now, but we're going to hit ROIP. Takes you into DMR OIP. My hotspot is now turned off. Connect to the Brandmeister. I'm going to do a separate video about the TJF because at the moment I'm having problems connecting and hearing the actual audio. I can connect in, but I can't hear audio. Then let's turn up the volume. It says incoming. Sometimes you have to tap the little on-off button. Oh, a bit too loud, I think. The other thing you can do is if you tap where the volume thing is, I've noticed if you get this thing where you lose audio and you tap the on-off button, if you basically take the battery out and put the battery back on, it will just start receiving audio fine. But if you tap the little speaker emblem, then your top thing will now, your top volume button will now cycle through the different channels within your zones, and that's pretty good. And it actually sets the radio up ready for it. So thanks for watching my channel. I think it's pretty good, great fun. There's obviously lots more to this radio than you're seeing now. You can go to this Rfinder sort of network, sign in. Then once you're signed in, you've got to let people know your status. So I'm going to put available. People can actually try and contact you direct. It will tell them the repeater that's nearest to you. It will tell them if you're on a certain talk group as well. What else? Tap here. DMROP showed you that. And if you just want to use it in the normal way as a normal radio, just click ROIP again. You're back as a normal radio. And if you want to set parameters, just tap the screen. Noisy. Close. Let's come out of that memory. Let's choose an analog channel.
Uniform 4 Alpha Uniform Lima. Lima Uniform 4 Alpha Uniform.
Bye for now, 7-3, all the best. Thanks for watching.